Hi, so I'm doing an unboxing video on first impression. This is that Kuwfi, you see right there, Kuwfi. It's supposed to be a SIM card enabled hotspot for, so it comes in this box, has a little thing that holds the device in place. Has this booklet. Got that hole right there. Has a charger. Yes, and there's nothing else in there. So it is small. It could fit in your pocket. I've seen smaller. When I was in Sudan, my host had one that was much smaller than this, and it worked fine. I use it for all my devices. This one is a little bit bigger where I'm going. I'm looking to go to Madagascar, so this is gonna help out. I didn't get the US version. I got the African version, I believe. It's supposed to work in South Africa, and since I'm going to Madagascar, which is just off the coast of South Africa, and South African's Wi-Fi network, the backbone is started in Sudan and all the way down into Madagascar, so it should work pretty good, I hope. And there isn't much information on here. It has a Wi-Fi key and whatnot, which means I can't really lose this box. Yeah. So first impression, it's small. I like how it works, but I probably won't be able to use it until I get the proper SIM card for it. I like the color. Black is my favorite color, but this will have to do. There's a little thing right there to open it. I'm gonna try and pop it open now. Looks like I will need a coin. Don't have a coin, so I'll have to use something else. If I could use one of the scissors here and don't stab myself. Nope, that won't work. Okay, I just use that. I just pushed against it and I heard it pop. It comes off. There's a tab here that's holding the battery, keeping the battery from being activated. I slide it off. Hold the power button. Takes SIM cards in here, so I'm assuming it will take my SIM card that's in my iPhone, hopefully. So I could get something similar to that. I will read the instructions and I'll do a more in-depth video on this. Y'all have a good day.